Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Spirit Airlines and your entire flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to St. Maarten, where the local time is 1:55 p.m. And to keep everyone safe, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items stowed as we make our way to the gate. Once we do arrive at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, that will be your only indication to get up and open those overhead bins. We do ask that you do so very carefully though, because items do have a tendency to shift during flight. If you require any special assistance, such as a wheelchair, we're going to ask that you remain seated until the end of the deplaning process, as this allows us to better assist you. Please remember that if you have any checked luggage, you must claim it before clearing customs.